Morning, students. In our this class, we will discuss the another reactions given by the phenols. So, first reaction, always reaction. In this, we have when the phenol reacts with NaOH, phenol reacts with NaOH, formation of sodium phenoxide, that formation of sodium phenoxide, then it reacts with other components CO2 and H plus, then get converted into the salicylic acid. Converted into the salicylic acid. So 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, name of this 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, common name is salicylic acid. Okay, so this is the Colway reaction, namely known as the Colway reaction. Another Reimer-Tiemann reaction, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. In this Reimer-Tiemann reaction, phenol reacts with chloroform, phenol reacts with, in the presence of chloroform and aqueous NaOH, in the presence of chloroform and aqueous NaOH, then formation of intermediate ion is there, and this intermediate ion we have is O minus, Na plus and CH2 Cl2 group attached to this intermediate. This intermediate again react with the NaOH. Intermediate again react with the NaOH. Then we again get O minus, Na plus, CHO group attached on this benzene ring. In the presence of H plus ion, OH group develops there on the ring, and a kind of aldehyde will form that is known as salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde, a kind of aldehyde, and that is known as salicylaldehyde, and reaction is commonly known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This reaction is commonly known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction, on the name of the scientist, on the name of the scientist. Another common some reactions which we have related to the phenol. The third reaction, just the reaction of phenol with zinc. Reaction of phenol with zinc. Reaction of phenol with zinc, and this is the molecule of phenol. When react with the zinc, we get the benzene and zinc oxide, benzene plus zinc oxide as a product. In oxidation reactions of phenol, what we have? Oxidation reactions, in these oxidation reactions, when phenol base get oxidized in the presence of sodium bromate in acidic medium, Na2Cr2O7 acidic medium of H2SO4 converted into the benzoquinone. The compound which will form is benzoquinone. Name of this compound is benzoquinone compound. Name of the compound is benzoquinone compound. So the compound will form is known as benzoquinone there. So these are general reactions given by the phenols. Now the next compound in this chapter is known as the ether. So we will continue